Hello everybody, welcome to my live. If you guys haven't already, please double tap that screen for me. Show your girl some love. Excuse me. Double tap, double tap, double tap. It don't cost a thing. Share my live. So we gotta get ready to finish, and I have to get ready for work. And give me the energy, Lord, please. So what we're gonna do first, you guys. Well, I'm trying to wait till everybody to come on the other live so they can record. Welcome to my live. We're going to be doing this look right behind me. I'm going to use my concealer Acorn 07, and I'm going to go underneath my brows. And I'm going to use my sponge. And I'm going to blend out that concealer. Good morning, everybody. Double tap if you're just joining my live. It doesn't cost anything. Show your girl some love. Ooh, my sinus. Let me see. I'm going to use my angle brush. And I'm going to use my Ruby Kisses Malibu Sunrise eyeshadow palette. So mostly the colors are mostly like a deep orange or light yellow. So I'm going to use my yellow, both yellows in the little eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to apply that on first. So it's kind of give you that sunset makeup look. And then I'm going to use this lighter orange. And I'm going to use my red and orange mixed together, and I'm using the Draw Me Rainbow eyeshadow palette, which is one of you guys' favorites. Once again, I'm going to apply like towards the end of my eye. And I'm going to go ahead and use a little bit of dark brown as well, because it's like a little darker towards the outer corner of the eye. So I'm going to use a little bit of dark brown. And I'm going to use a small brush. I'm going to apply a little of orange and red, burgundy. I'm going to use the Malibu Sunrise eyeshadow palette. So I'm going to use a little bit of like a reddish orange. Put some here in the middle. And I'm going to use some of the red color. I'm going to use this color here. And now I am going to use some glitter. I think you pronounce this Kakela. I ordered this from Amazon. It was a gift from Amazon, I'm sorry. Let me see. I'm going to use this orange here. I'm just going to use my finger, and I'm going to just rub across. Instead of using a brush, I'm going to use my finger. And then I'm going to go back in. I'm going to use this red right here towards the end. And I'm going to apply a little, kind of blend them together. And then that was it for that eyeshadow palette. And then I'm going to use my Make Me Nude eyeshadow palette here. I'm using 3 to 4 eyeshadow palettes, I know. Sorry. I'm going to use this color here. It's called Excitement. The Excitement I'm going to apply like in the inner crease of my eye. And I'm going to bring it down just a little bit. You think I should? No, you shouldn't. And then now I'm going to draw my eyeliner. Really, you can use your endpoint of your eyebrow to do your liner. This is Ruby Kiss's eyeliner as well. This is their waterproof. This one is the darkest black. If you're interested, this is their Felt Pen eyeliner. Yep, Ruby Kiss's long Felt Pen eyeliner, black is black. This is their newest one. So as you guys see, I drew out my liner. And then I'm going to use my dark teal eyeliner twist by Ruby Kisses, and I'm going to apply it right underneath. Thank you, Kiana. And I'm just going to mix a little bit of light blue to kind of give it some life, so it won't be too dark. And I'm going to use I'm going to go back and use the Nude Me eyeshadow palette. I'm going to use, what color did I use? I think I used Please Me and Slippery. I'm going to use those two coat colors and I just apply it right above. Yep. And then I'm going to go back in with my Malibu Sunrise. I'm going to use the color yellow. I'm going to use this color down here. And I'm going to apply that in the lower line, inner corner of my eye. Alright, so we have that. So now I'm going to apply my favorite lashes, the Crystal Glow. I'm going to use the lashes Marquise. These are a little bit longer lashes extensions, but they're very lightweight. So I'm just trying to pull it apart because it's really thin. So I don't want it to tear. So I'm going to use my 3D lash glue in the color Clear. Just going to apply a little around above the rim of the lash. You don't need a lot. Just apply a little. And yes, they're really thin. They're really lightweight. You won't even recognize that you have them on because they're really, really lightweight. So these are the lashes that I'm wearing, Marquise by Crystal Glow. And I'm going to go ahead and apply these lashes on, and I'm going to use my fingers. And I'm going to press down by using my fingers. I'm just making sure that my lashes are right, because sometimes, you know, they're about even. Alright, so now we're going to use my favorite concealer, Cool Cafe 05 2-in-1 concealer and foundation. I'm going to apply underneath here. And I forgot to put this on, the hydration, so I'm going to put it on the rest of my skin. Sorry guys. Just need a little bit, you don't need a lot. This is a face primer by Kiss. It's a hydration and grip, so it helps keep your face moistured. And also I have my e.l.f. spray power grip setting spray. So you can spray that on there too. And we're going to use the Golden by Ruby Kisses Full Coverage Concealer Golden 312. And I'm going to apply it right underneath. And I'm going to spray a little bit on the brush. And then I'm going to go ahead and blend in that foundation and concealer together. And I'm just taking my time blending it out. I'm going to blend it all the way out. And then I'm going to use my sponge. And don't forget to also make sure that you have your concealer and foundation blended on your forehead on top. And this is the finished look, you guys. How you guys think I did? I got as close as possible to the look that I wanted to really achieve. Alright guys, thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to please like, share my live. Also follow me on my Instagram, Modest Transformation by Celeste, and follow me on my personal Instagram, SexyRiri_93. And don't forget to follow me on YouTube, Modest Transformation by Celeste. The goal is to get up to 12,000 subscribers. And if you guys want to collaborate, please direct message me, and or just leave a comment on my community tab on my YouTube channel. Thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you guys did like it, and have a great day. See you guys later tonight. Bye.